Hello, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I said so long. Farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. It's been great to play and sing together in the box, and now it's time to say goodbye. Anyway. I hope this shit recording. Okay, it is. Alright, so I just wanted to come on here and show y'all. I got this hair. It comes in a box like this. Well, really, it's like this, but this got my address and shit on it. But it comes in a box with a sticker on the front. And I want to show y'all this cheap ass $20 lace front wig. And it's really cute. I did take it out the box already, but that reminds me, I need to throw that out. But I did want to, okay, so anyway, I did want to show y'all. Okay, so anyway, this comes from Remy Hair. I don't know. Remy Hair. Okay, and I got this from, where I got this wig from? Hold on, I have to search it. eBay. When I bought it, it was $20. Now it's $21.95. But it still look like a good wig. I mean, it looks like the model have it on in blue, which is really cute. I mean, I don't know why I didn't get it in blue. I probably was like, bitch, you can't wear no blue wig to work, but it's cute in blue. But anyway, it says 100% human hair blend. So it's not full synthetic and it's not full human hair. But it's 100% human hair blend labella lace front Regina wig. Okay, so, and the company that sells this wig is called Remy. Okay, so and they have like a few pictures on here of the wig when you go and buy it. Like I said, I'm gonna put the wig on eBay. I'm gonna put the link for the wig that I bought on eBay because that's where I bought it from. Take the hairnet off, and then there's a little tag on it. Tag in the wig, which I don't really like. Like, why is there a tag inside the damn wig or whatever? This wig already, oh, it's not shedding. It's not shedding. Okay, so this wig already feels better than my first wig. Okay, my first wig was a middle part, and this wig is a side part. Okay, because this is how this wig's supposed to go. This wig is a side part, and the part looks better than my first wig that I got, and the front too. Like, this wig, y'all, this wig is actually good for $20 because I paid like $30 for my first wig. Let me show y'all my first wig. It's so damn raggedy now, but all I gotta do is treat her with some love. But this is my first wig. Y'all can see the lace front, and you can see like where the lace front, where they like added the lace front together. This is the first wig that I got, and it's, I mean, it's cute, but it's not as good as this wig right here, and I paid less money for this wig. So fuck, these lace fronts be so fucking, oh my god, they be so damn hard. Why is that lace piece so damn hard? It like can fucking cut you like a paper cut. What the hell? What the hell? Who came up with that shit? Oh, it's a little comb right there too. Ooh. Wait a minute. Let me see. Okay, y'all see the little baby hairs that's pre-cut on this? I don't need that many damn baby hairs, but y'all see the little baby hairs? Let me see if you can split this some more. Nah, it's a track. It's a track right there, so you can't really cut it some more. or change the parting. And it's a track right there too, so. I cut the lace off, as you can see. I cut the lace off, and let's try to make some baby hairs. But so far, it's looking okay. I guess it's looking okay. So let's make some baby hairs. Putting on the wig kind of pushed them back a little bit, so now I'm just gonna create a little bit more. Take this little liner and line out where the actual lace is so you can't see it. See it? I'm just gonna do that really quickly. Okay, so now that I've created a better part, but I think it's cute. I mean, it's cute. It's, I forgot how long it is. I think it's a 20-inch. I put the link to the wig at the bottom. Like I said, the only thing I don't really like is the where the part falls. I wish the part fell just a little bit more on this side. I just kind of feel like it needs to. What I might do is kind of just like get some little layers going right here so it can fall like that. It'd be a little bit more cuter than what it is. This is really, really cute. What y'all think?